Say ready or not, here I come.
Ready or not, here I come.
Shh. Okay, where do you think they might be?
Nah.
Nah,
Not in the bathroom.
not in the bathroom.
Not in my closet.
Boy, they're good hiders. Not over there.
Not over there. Where's...
Not in there. Wow, they are some good hiders. Where else do you want to look?
In Mommy's.
Okay. Wow.
Good. They're good.
They're good.
Maybe they might...
Chase. Check it out. Okay. Let's try this door.